Tired of being chained to your desktop to experience the chaotic fun of Garry's Mod? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you how to kind of play GMod on your mobile device. First, you will need a Steam account. If you don't already have one, head over to Steam's website or app on your computer and create an account. This is essential because you'll need to own Garry's Mod on Steam. Make sure you have Garry's Mod purchased and installed on your computer. This method relies on streaming the game from your PC to your mobile device. Next, download the Steam Link app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone or tablet. This free app allows you to stream games from your computer to your mobile device. Open the Steam Link app on your mobile device. It should automatically detect your computer if it's on the same Wi-Fi network and Steam is running. If it doesn't, you can manually add your computer by following the on-screen instructions. The app will prompt you to enter a code displayed on your computer screen. Enter the code on your mobile device to pair it with your computer. This establishes the connection for streaming. Once paired, Steam Link will launch Steam's Big Picture mode on your computer. This is a controller-friendly interface designed for streaming to TVS and mobile devices. Navigate to your library within Big Picture mode and select Garry's Mod. Then, click the play button to launch the game. Garry's Mod will now stream to your mobile device. Steam Link provides on-screen controls, but let's be real, they can be clunky. A Bluetooth keyboard and mouse or a Bluetooth controller are highly recommended for a playable experience. And there you have it. You are now sort of playing Garry's Mod on your mobile device. Keep in mind that performance will depend on your Wi-Fi network speed and the power of your computer. Happy gaming, wherever you go.